Good morning. It is day 10. 9? Okay. Whatever. It's a good day because we have been not sleeping in a tent but in a nice room. We had delicious breakfast with a really good view. And I edited in the morning. For all those who are watching the videos and I don't know how much time the YouTubers put into each single video. Like yesterday I was basically, I think, editing like for 4 hours. I went to bed at like 1 o'clock and I woke up at 7 and continued to edit and to re-edit stuff, and that takes a long time, and that's why I appreciate your comments, your likes, your shares, your encouragement. We hope you have a good day. We will go to the Atlantic Ocean Road. The weather's not the best, but at least it's not raining. So enjoy and have a really good day. Yay! So we are almost there at the Atlantic Ocean Road. We just explored like a lost place, abandoned house. It was amazing. A little bit of drone flying, will be much more. My battery is almost empty for the remote control and it's charging really slow, so we will see how that goes. Over and out. So we have seen the Atlantic Ocean road. It was very windy, but beautiful weather, even though the weather forecast has been a bit worse. And now we are going back to Oslo, basically, just like taking our time going through the mountains and not so much the fjords. Enjoy the ride. Maybe there will be some beautiful sceneries to fly the drone, we don't know. Have a good evening. Let's go.
Das ist noch eine Stunde, ist doch perfekt. Dann fahren wir jetzt noch eine Stunde und kommen dann zurück.
We just arrived at the place where I can't even spell, pronounce or say the name. Sounds really Swedish to me. I guess the Norwegians will hate me now. But nonetheless, we made it. Yep, now closer to the mountains. Will be a bit colder. And that's why we put up a tent. Yay! And I will edit the vlog tonight. I hope that I can sleep a bit more. And you should never forget to be creative. Be courageous. And never give up. Good night.